Today on Health Talk, I'm going to unbox and explain a new supplement I'm trying called MyVitalC, which contains the powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory ESS60, which is 172 times more powerful than vitamin C. MyVitalC is supposed to support better sleep, increased energy, eye health, cardiovascular health, joint health, recovery from exercise, mental acuity, and more. Now, does it really support all these things? That's what we're here to find out, good people. So welcome to the Cyber Sky. Let's learn something. Hi, I'm Graham Sabersky, and this is a new series I'm doing on Cyber Sky videos called Health Talk, where we will talk about health and fitness, exercise, foods, supplements, and everyday practices that can help us improve our health. I'm not a doctor, so don't take anything I say as medical advice. You should always do your own research on anything you learn from a YouTube video. Every person's physiology and medical history is different, so always consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you're looking to cure any ailment or chronic condition. What I am offering here is my personal experience over the years as a person who's been on a quest to improve my health, so I can live a long, comfortable life and stay out of doctors' offices and hospitals as much as possible. I believe in prevention over treatment, and food is medicine. So if you're on that personal health quest as well, subscribe right now and follow Health Talk on Cyber Sky videos. Today on Health Talk, I'm going to unbox and explain a new supplement I'm trying called MyVitalC, which contains the powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory ESS60, which is 172 times more powerful than vitamin C. Let that sink in. ESS60 in this product is combined with olive oil, which is also really good for you. MyVitalC is supposed to support better sleep, increased energy, eye health, cardiovascular health, joint health, recovery from exercise, mental acuity, and more. Now, does it really support all these things? Does it improve any of them? Specifically for me, not just in studies and tests in a lab, but will it actually have a positive effect on my health? And what is my experience after taking it? That's what we're here to find out, good people. So welcome to the Cyber Sky. Let's learn something. While I'm opening the box, I'll tell you a little more about the product. I did a lot of online searches like I do with anything that I'm going to try because I never want to put anything dangerous into my body. I searched keywords like fraud, dangerous, side effects, complaints, and I didn't find any negative mentions. If you found some, please leave them in the comments so we can look them up and learn more about this. I did read a study, though, that resulted in impressive results in the lab, which you can read as well. I've included a link to it in the description. The main ingredient of MyVitalC is ESS60, a version of something called C60, which has been formulated to be safe to consume for humans. ESS60 has been tested extensively since the 1990s and had such good effects on animals who were given this product that it doubled their lifespans. Now, of course, I'm not going to be able to tell you if it doubles my lifespan, but check back on this channel in 100 years and we'll see. Now, let me read some of these ingredients as we're unboxing. So on the box, it says pure ESS60 and organic extra virgin olive oil, based on Nobel Prize winning chemistry, powerful anti-inflammatory, and it says powerful antioxidant. There's a 100% organic oil stamp on here, 100% ESS60 USA, and a made in USA icon. The ingredients are extra virgin olive oil, ESS60, that's it. Of course, since it is olive oil, which is a type of saturated fat, it actually contains 890 milligrams of saturated fat, which is equal to 4% of your daily recommended saturated fat. No trans fat, no cholesterol, zero sodium, zero carbohydrates, sugar, zero protein. It does have C60 in the form of ESS60, which is 80 milligrams to 100 milliliters, and there's no other ingredients on the box. Now, I'm going to take this every day for a month, starting right now, as I take my first dose right in front of you, then report back with my experience. Smells like olive oil. Now, they give you a little cup here, which has a 5 milliliter mark, which is what it says to take. So as you can see, basically tastes exactly like olive oil, So it's either flavorless or it's overpowered by the olive oil. But obviously you could use it as olive oil, put it on some salad. You could throw it into a mixture of some sort, or you could just take a shot like I did. It says that the number of doses that it contains inside is 24. If you take 5 milliliters, which is equal to 1 teaspoon, then there would be 24 of those in this bottle. So not quite a 30-day amount. However, I also have these portable little personal one-time use that I can also use. I'm not going to take it right now because I just took 5 milliliters, but I have here a full 30 days worth here. So I have more than a month's worth of this stuff. This is great if you're going on a trip and you don't want to pack a bottle like this. You can throw this into your luggage for the plane. It's very small. Now here's some stuff that came with the product. It says, you have just received the purest ESS60 and olive oil on the market. We have been delivering ESS60 and olive oil to research institutions around the world since 1991. Our products are used and referenced in the Bati C60 study, where the subjects given our product lived twice as long as the control subjects. Our research-driven history compels us to deliver the most accurately processed and safest product on the market. That's very reassuring because we're going to take this product, so we want it to be obviously the most accurately processed and safe. There's a video how to take MyVitalC and olive oil. I think you don't need to watch that video because you just saw me taking it. You basically put it in this cup or another teaspoon measurement and drink it. Okay. It says feel healthy, live longer. Yep, that's what I'm trying to do. Now, I get soreness, inflammation from working out. I have some trouble getting to sleep, and I've been feeling a lot of eye strain lately, probably from doubling my screen time since we started distance learning. So I'm hoping this might help. So I'll be back in 30 days after taking this every day, and I give you my impressions, if I noticed any substantial effects, and if there's any problems, of course, I'll let you know if I'm going to continue using the product and what I think about it. Thank you for watching Health Talks. I hope you've learned something. See you next time, and stay blessed. Thank you for watching Cyber Sky videos. Hope you learned something. If you did, you know what to do. Smash that like button, leave a comment, subscribe for more content, and ring the bell for notifications. You can also find us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter @CyberSkyVideos. Till next time, stay blessed.